Okay, this is my friend's neighbor's Bryant air conditioner, and it's a 2.5 ton from 2006. And my friend just jumped the fence to go look at it. What's the model number?
Model number?
Yeah.
Serial code?
It will say model.
Model number. Oh yeah. 113RNA030-B.
Okay, so it's a 2.5 ton 13 SEER. What's the serial number? It's a 2006 because I have gotten close to it. But what?
It's 1106E17314.
Okay, thank you. It's from 11th week of 2006. And then here's his unit. Come on. And it has R22 refrigerant, right?
What?
It had R22. It doesn't have the... Yeah, okay. He hasn't a clue about HVAC, but I just told him to go read the numbers for me because I didn't feel like hopping the fence, and that's his neighbor's house. But his is an American Standard 3.5 ton from 2003. That's his. And then the neighbor's again is this Bryant, and it has a Copeland scroll compressor. But the reason I asked you to read those is because the chance I got to go close to it, I wasn't the most proficient in telling tonnage in that. But yeah, it has a Copeland scroll, by the way. But yep, over and out.